Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and today's word is break, an A1 level verb meaning to separate into pieces. So, when we break something, we divide it into smaller parts, often by force. Think about a cookie breaking in your hand, or a vase falling and breaking. You can say, I accidentally broke the glass. Some synonyms for break are shatter, like the window shattered when the ball hit it, and smash, for example, he smashed the plate on the floor. On the other hand, antonyms of break include fix, such as I need to fix my car, and mend, as in can you mend this hole in my sock? You can use break in so many everyday situations. You might say, I need a coffee break, or the car has broken down. Also, we often talk about the day breaking, meaning the sun rising. Some examples include don't break that toy, or the news broke at 5 p.m. So to summarize, break means to separate into pieces and has many related uses. It's a very common word, so knowing it will really help you. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. Please don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others find our show. And we'd love for you to try creating your own sentence using break and share it as a comment below the video.